Might have just lost all my footage, but you know. You good though? Let's stop the recording.
Well, you can start back up.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. We are currently at a car porn. We have a Porsche Rush race car. We have a Ferrari 458 Italia. We have numerous fucking Corvettes. We have an Audi R8.
It's so fucking messed up right now. It's a number one.
Oh, fuck yeah, I hear a Ferrari. I'm gonna give you guys a really quick fucking drive-by. This should be good.
Hey, the special ones here. Listen, buy the winter rim. Winter rim. That's the specified.
Do you know what? No. Let's go to the exit. Get all of them leaving. Patty, you get the great seat. Oh yeah, here we go. Fucking Corvettes. We got an R35 GTR over there. My gosh.
Awesome.
300 subscriber special right here, boys. My buddy Patrick working the booth. He gets to tell these fuckers when they can leave. Someone slam their rev limiter, please. Oh, the 458's ready to leave. Little guy in a scooter.
Somebody just revved their car.
Someone's gonna rev their car. It's gonna happen.
It's got to.
Even a Lotus Elise, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Even a Lotus Elise.
The ball.
Fuck yes. Fuck yes.
Look at the wall.
Shh. Corvette needs a ladder exhaust. Different place.
Yeah.
We just leave our bikes there. Oh, up here. Holy fuck, man. We know where the car meets are now. Whoa! Someone's popping their clutch. Holy fuck. Backfire already. This is pure fuck. Who cares if it fucking rains right now?
Even though it's supposed to.
The Porsche that just went by is from Quebec. Woohoo! Fucking, that's the Corvette revving its engine. And then we have the odd Dodge Ram. You're part of YouTube.
Mostly these.
The R35 is now revving its engine. We have an Audi V10.
This way.
Some people, man, they're just gonna fucking let it rip. I don't give a fuck if my bike gets stolen right now. It'd be worth it. Yes! Headphone users beware. Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, here we go.
Fucking hell. The smell of burning rubber.
Oh, yeah. I like that smell. Oh,
God damn.
If my bike gets stolen, it was worth it.
Do a burnout! I love being a YouTuber.
I have a YouTube channel, but I don't make videos.
Pop her up! Smash the rev limiter! Did he fucking stall it? He stalled!
He stalled his car.
He fucking stalled it. The little Lotus Elise that could.
The Ferrari. Ferrari is down.
Oh, the two Ferraris.
Oh, they're coming, boys.
Smoke it! Here come the two Ferraris.
Oh yeah, they're very close, guys.
Throttle it, bitch. Just do it. Majority of cars, like 70% of these cars, guys, are standards. Come on, let the nice car go. Fuck you too. God damn. Might want to put your water down. It's a quiet ass Corvette. Oh, baby.
There's three.
Gibber!
There's three Ferraris, guys. Three of them. Is this the Spider or no?
That was the 458. There are three Ferraris. Here's the car we want to see. Pop her up! Fuck yes! When someone says pop her up, means hit the rev limiter. None of them had done that yet, except for a few Corvettes.
We're still coming out of the freaking parking lot. Danny, we're still coming out of the freaking parking lot.
I know. We're gonna be here for a little while.
I really have to pee since I have
God. Yes! He fucking did a burnout.
Fine.
He fucking did a burnout. It even shit itself. It's like, pop. Oh, backfire. Do a burnout! That's a quiet Audi. That was the quietest one by far. Yeah, hit the truck. That's gonna look nice. We got a truck, guys.
That's it. That's actually all of the good cars. That's it.
God damn it. Time to go back to my depressing life.